There's a blizzard going on. Doesn't look like it, but on the camera, I will make my pie that I always make, my little pasta pie. There it is, you see it better. And now I got this ready. Need to come over and get this pasta sauce. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention, you need to put tinfoil around the edge. Let it cook for 15 minutes at 400 degrees in your oven. Let it cook for another 15 minutes at 400. Sorry about the new angle. I'm using my camera to record this one. I was using my phone to record all the other bits. After that I realized, shit, I'm gonna have to email all of that to myself, and my phone's a piece of shit, so I had to cut all the clips down to like 3 seconds. So sorry if it's a really short, kind of not explained well video. In fact, if you have questions, just ask them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Oh god, I was not smart. Sorry if I look funny throughout the video, if there's like spots, yeah. It's just dark spots and red spots. I was testing some makeups out, practicing them for making a video in the future, and I had to wipe them off, and I didn't do that well. So I don't know if you can tell in this part of the video, but I think it's blatantly obvious in the other ones. But here's, oh god, this is awkward. Hold on a minute. Flip it over. Da, 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 da. There we go. There's that. It's still kind of sizzling. Also, frickin' blizzard! You can't really tell, we're in a patch right now where it's stopped snowing as bad. But I mean, Christ, just me looking outside, oh god, it snowed a lot. So, yep. Gonna open this. Okay, I don't want to burn my hands. What the fuck is this? Fucking who knows? Okay. A pad. God damn it. Got it. Shit. So, stuck to the sides, you're gonna want to do this. There you go. Now let's see if I can get it off. Woo! There it is. Look at that gorgeous fucking... Oh, that looks delicious. Shit. We come down. You can get it in there. See if I can cut into it. Where's the son of a bitch? Mother! Why does she keep moving things? if you guys just heard that, but there was just some really weird screeching noise, and it sounded like a demon, and I'm scared. Fuck it, we're using a regular shotgun. I can't find. Oh shit, I need a plate. Ooh, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. Now, if you want to use meat sauce, you can. That's perfectly okay. But I don't like meat, so I just use regular pasta sauce. But let's get out a fork and try this. Well, that's not a fork. What's it doing in the fork bit? That was a spoon. Ugh. Okay. It's delicious. So, what you need for this recipe, I don't think I covered it that well at the beginning. Actually, no, I think I had to cut that out to myself. So what you need 1 pound of rigatoni. I just got a Barilla box and just cooked that whole thing. I had like 4 noodles left over, and this was an 8-inch springform pan. It was either 8-inch or 9-inch springform. Wow, I still got paint in my eyebrows. Springform pan. Gonna need either homemade or store-bought pasta sauce. Mozzarella and Parmesan. You're gonna need a cup of Parmesan mozzarella, I guess. If you get the shredded mozzarella like I did from the store, just sprinkle it and cover it. The video I got this recipe from was Diana de la Fuente. On YouTube, if you just search pasta pie, it should be the first one that comes up. And she'll have a link to where she got the recipe from. So, if you want to know real strict details about it, but you cook the pasta covered in a cup of Parmesan, although there's bits left in the bowl. Lay it in the spring form, cover that in pasta sauce, bake it at 400 for 15 minutes, take it out, put the mozzarella on it, then you put it back in for 15 minutes, let it cool down a little bit before you start trying to take the tinfoil out for opening it, because you will burn yourself. I already did that. Trying to open it, I got the tinfoil off around it. I don't know if I covered it that well, but you do need to have tinfoil around the bottom in case any sauce leaks out. Luckily it didn't for me, but every springform pan is different, so anyways, yeah, it's really good. You can add meat to it if you want. Doesn't really matter, personal preference. So anyways, that was this vlog video kind of mix. I don't know, it started out as a vlog, but then it turned into a cooking video. So that was this. Do the usual, like it if you like it, subscribe if you want to. If there's something you want to see me do, let me know in the comments. This, that, and the other thing. Peace. Also guys, if you want to see me make a video on how to do this makeup you're seeing right now, let me know in the comments and I will get started on making a video for it. So, yep, like if you liked it, do the usual, whatever.